everyone, welcome back to the new video. So in this video we will talk about an ideal task 1 writing. How is it, right? So here the first question you could see is like this. We have given the diagram below shows how instant noodles are manufactured. So this is a diagram process, and these days diagram and process questions are more common, so we have to first practice them. All right, and moreover they are very easy as compared to the bar charts, the lines and the graphs. Okay, so now what we have to do is summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. Write at least 150 words. Alright, now this is your question. Now what you guys have to do is you have to pause the video, take a screenshot and write it. Until and unless you don't write it by yourself, you won't get where you are making mistakes, and if you don't know where you're making mistakes, there is no point that we will have a good band score. Alright, so now I hope you guys have taken the screenshot and you have written it. So now I'm gonna show you how I have written it, so that you could get an idea that what points you were missing or how you could transfer them, paraphrase them. All right, so I'm going to show you in the next image that how I have written it. So here is what I have written it, so I'm going to show you. Now I have written the picture details the manufacturing process. Now see, whenever you get a picture or a process, what you could write is the picture details the manufacturing process. So isn't it way more easier? Or instead of this, you could, instead of the picture over here, what else we could write is the diagram. I'm gonna write it over here. You could write is a diagram. Now I'm gonna use a short form of diagram because it's very hard to write it, so I hope you guys get. Alright, so the picture details the manufacturing process of instant noodles. So what I have done is I have paraphrased it. So it's very important that you know how to paraphrase your. So then it comes overall this internally man-made operation. Now what this is? It's a man-made operation, can be divided into 4 main stages. Now as I have mentioned earlier, I don't know, but today I am saying that it's really very important that you give an overview. So I have since it was a bit short, so I have given the overview with the heading itself. So I have written overall. Now it's very clear from the diagram that in total it have 8 steps, right? But you cannot write the entire 8 steps in your overview. So what you have to do is you have to shorten them up, right? Now how I have written, I'm going to tell you. Overall, this entirely man-made operation can be divided into 4 main stages, beginning with storage of raw ingredients. This is how I have paraphrased the first. Assembling the dry noodles, cooking, and finally packaging for later consumption. Simple and easy and peasy. Alright, now here comes a body paragraph 1. Instant noodles start in storage silos where the flour is kept. The flour is transported along with water and oil from the another source to the mixers and rolled into sheets of dough, beginning the assembly of line steps. So this is not, I'm not here telling it is first stored. The second line, it is, then it comes to the mixture where oil and water are added. It's a normal band score. If you want a 7+, that's how you have to write. You have to maintain that continuity in your task 1. Alright, now let's see what next I have written. These sheets are cut into strips with factory machinery and then formed into compact noodle disc to be fried in oil, left to dry, and ultimately placed in cups along with assorted vegetables and spices. Right. The final preparation step is to label and seal the contents so that the end product is ready for retail. Now retail here means for the consumption of the people. Alright, so you could use such words like retail, beginning the assembly, ultimately, that's the ending. Now at the end you could say the final preparation step. So this is how you have to paraphrase it, and it's really very important. So this was for today's video. I hope you liked it, and I'll come further for the next videos. And in case, I have one more tip for you how you could increase it. Now you have seen how I have written, so you could take a screenshot of this as well. Then what you could do is you could read it calmly and then write it again, and then you would see that there is a huge difference in it. It would be quite different from the written from the one you have written first, and the task one you have written later on by seeing it. So when you will practice this, automatically you will get that range how to write it. All right, so thank you everyone. I hope you have a good day. Keep smiling. Thank you so much.